here we go.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down.
Thank you for working so hard and for caring about kids like me.
Thank you for caring about BC Children's Hospital and kids like me. Thank you.
Love is too high to bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down.
Welcome. We're live from BC Children's Hospital for the 27th Annual Miracle Weekend. And we're here all this evening, all day tomorrow at the hospital. Hospital serves families of the entire province. It's nice to be back.
Well, since we're hugging.
Yeah, nice to have you back. Oh, we're all family here.
That's
Well,
right.
we are. We've been doing this so many years now. We're going to show you stories about the amazing kids who've been to this hospital and those incredible caregivers who help them. And we will show you how your donations are used to fund the equipment here and that vital research to save kids' lives.
Thanks so much, Erin. And it also comes together thanks to groups like this. This is Don Banaski. He's the president of the Truck Loggers Association. And you're also with, can you introduce your other two helpers here?
This is Stacy Woodall. She operates the office in Vancouver here for the Truck Loggers, and this is my daughter, Paige Banaski.
Paige, thank you for being here. You're adorable. All right, so you guys have done a ladies' luncheon. And did you guys serve the ladies at the luncheon?
I wasn't so fortunate to serve the ladies, but we do have a great event. It's the ladies' luncheon at our annual convention, and it's an opportunity for the women that support their men in the industry to come out and through ticket sales and other events, we are able to be here to present money to you guys today.
And you've been helping out for more than 20 years for the BC Children's Hospital Foundation. Why is that?
It's just so important. It's the root of the province, it's the root of our industry, and it's really the future of everything. And it's such a great cause, and we're glad to be a part of it.
That's excellent. Let's turn over your check and see how much you guys raised. Paige, how much do you raise? No?
$10,000. $10,000.
$10,000. Well done. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much, Don.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Oh, you're
It's
welcome.
been an incredible weekend, and we want to thank everybody who has worked tirelessly behind the cameras. There is a cast of thousands here who are helping us out every weekend, every year. They do a bang-up job, and we really are thankful that they have done it for us again.
As we said, it is coming to an end. It's really hard for us to believe that it's already over, but what a weekend it's been. And now, well, in about 25 seconds, it's going to be time to check out our big total. You know, last year...
Right now.
Oh, right
Let's do it right now.
Okay.
Let's do it
here
right now. Have a
is.
look. Count us down, folks.
8, 7, 6, 3, 0, 18.
Thank you very much, British Columbia. $18 million. We couldn't have done it without you.